आज मैं आपको माँ के बारे में कुछ कोटेज सुनाना चाहता हूँ। A mother's love is the fuel that enables a normal human being to do the impossible. To do the impossible. God could not be everywhere, so He created mothers. So He created mothers. So He created mothers. And mothers' arms are more comforting than uneven, than uneven, my dear. Mothers, mothers, mothers who all love begins and ends there the influence of a mother in the lives of her children is beyond calculation, is beyond calculation. A mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. No one else can take. Life doesn't come with a manual. It comes with a mother. It comes with a mother. A mother love knows no boundaries, no limits, and no conditions. To the world, you may be one person, but to your mother, you are the world. You are the world. So love your mothers. Mothers hold their children's hands for a while, but their hurts forever. The hurt of a mother is a deep abyss at the bottom of which you will always find forgiveness. Honor the bless. No language can express the power, beauty, and heroism of a mother's love. A mother understands what a child does not say. सिर्फ माँ समझती है मेरा बेटा चुप क्यों है, ये बोलता क्या है. A mother's hug lasts long after she lets go. The purest love in the world is a mother's love. Home is where your mom is. Behind every great person is a loving and strong mother. Mother's love is peace. It